Day by day, daily I'm getting very profound and valuable insights as like today. So, hey everyone, this is Bharti. Welcome to my channel and it's my day 7 of 90 days to transform my English from B1 to C1. So, let's start our today's routine. So, first one is the shadowing. You can see here its glimpse.
Sometimes I feel worried. Sometimes I feel worried.
Sometimes I feel worried.
But it is okay. But it is okay.
But it is okay.
When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest.
When I feel tired, I rest.
When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel stressed, I breathe.
When I feel stressed, I breathe. Alright, after shadowing, my next step is active learning. To watch the specific video, you can see I watched this video, very insightful video. You must watch it. I will highly recommend it to you to improve your any language. Okay, so I watched this video today and I was writing down the insights. You can see here very clearly. After writing down the journaling, the insights part, now let's speak on it. So today I watched a very profound video for those people who really want to master any specific language. Now whatever insights I wrote today from that video, now it's time to speak on it. So let's start. Okay, so my today's video topic, which is based on the CIA method to learn any language. CIA stand for Central Intelligence Agency. So how now you can understand that how really effective it would be. So yeah, there were 10 steps described by the speaker that I'm going to share with you right now. So the first one step is choose one small mission. Don't try to be like random, like the way don't say I want to become fluent in English, I want to master English. Just pick a small mission for your daily goal to speak English, to learn English and to practice English. For an example, you can say instead of saying I want to be fluent in English, you just pick one small action for today. That means you can say today I will learn how to order at any restaurant or cafe. Okay, and another you can say tomorrow I will master how to give interviews. Okay, like the way daily yourself you need to give tasks. If it's not possible to do that task or to master that task in a single day, that's okay. Just try to do that first, no matter how much it takes long. Now the second strategy is learn the most common words. Like you just need to search 1,000 most common words are used in everyday conversations. That covers 80% of your English or your daily conversations, like daily vocabularies or daily new words, phrases, idioms, whatever it is. Okay. Now the third one is use sentence template. Now this technique is really useful for them who always get stuck in grammar and the rules of the English and all. So for them it's easy to follow the specific template for your daily English conversation. You can try to use fill-ups here to improve your English using as a template. Like I would like to dash, I would like to dash please, means in the dash you just need to add any, try to add as much as variable words you can add there. Like for an example, I can say I would like to have coffee please, I would like to have a ticket please, I would like to have a pen please. Like the way, just try as much as you can by using the same template. Fourth step, or now the fourth method or strategy you can say, use similar words which we call cognates. Means just whatever the same words you know, for now for what, okay, now whatever words you know already, you are familiar with them, just try to know that how they sounds in another language. For an example, I am familiar with the words family, hospital, or university, school. So how we can how this word sounds in Spanish, I know little bit. I can show you, I can tell you that for university we speak universidad. For family in English, for family we call familia in Spanish. Like this, you try to do as much variation as you can. So yeah, just try to use the similar words. Meaning should be same, but their source or their way of speaking, you can say simply meaning is the meaning is same here. I mean, words are similar, but what is different is their language. Okay, so that's how you can learn variable words. Yeah, so that's how you can learn variable words. Now the method number 6 is, now the fifth one method is create your environment as per that language only. Of course, it is mandatory to learn anything. We have to make the environment like that only. Now, method number 6 is to learn, speak privately. Before moving directly into the real world, just you have to practice with yourself alone in the home or wherever you can talk with yourself. Just try to describe the emotions, the feelings, or the actions you are doing right now. Like this, you can build your little confidence. Also, you will not feel hesitate to speak with the real world. Then method number 7 is talk to the real people. For that you can use the app Tandem and Hello Talk. Okay. Now the method number 8 is shadowing. For this I'm already doing that. Next, method number 9, that is try to retain your learning whatever you are doing for that particular language by using the two major techniques. First is memory palace. I told you in the yesterday's video. I hope you must be remember that. Then second trick is spaced repetition, means try to review your performance, only then you will be able to retain, because our brain works in repetition modes. Now the 10th method, last but not the least, that is the choose discipline over motivation, means try to be consistent daily. So yeah guys, it was all about my step number 2. Now let's move to my step number 3 of my daily routine practice. Now let's move to the step number 3, that is the real conversations practice with AI. Here you can see its glimpse as well. Hey AI, I hope if you remember our conversation. So it's my day 7 with you to practice the real conversation. So let's start.
Welcome back for day 7. I'm ready to keep our practice going and help you reach your goals. To start, how are you feeling about the sales job after your first few days? And have you had any interesting conversations with clients so far?
Well, if we talk about my sales experience, it was my day 2 only for training. So for today, but I got a phone to talk with the real customers, and yeah, it was Hindi conversation. So Hindi, English both were mixed, but little bit in the very starting, I was literally feeling nervous.
It's completely normal to feel nervous and stumble a bit, especially on your first few calls. You should be proud of yourself for trying to handle those customers so early in your training. To help sound more bold without losing your natural kindness, try pausing briefly before you speak to gather your thoughts, which will help your pace. Also, remember that your polite nature is a great asset for building trust with clients. Reflecting on your progress at the end of the week is a fantastic way to see how far you've come and set your intentions for the next one. It sounds like tomorrow will be a very productive and important day for you. Good luck with your early start and your weekly review.
Yeah, so now let's wrap up the session for today. It's already 11:06 p.m. And yeah, that's enough for my today's practice. See you tomorrow for this 8 or the reflection day.
Have a wonderful night, and I look forward to our reflection session tomorrow.
Alright, guys, it's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Now, see you for tomorrow, the reflection day of week 1. Bye bye, take care.